Born Robert Sargent Shriver Jr. on November 9, 1915 in Westminster, Maryland, Sargent Shriver is best known for his association with the Kennedy public dynasty, but also had his own impressive record of public service. He was the founding director of the U.S. Peace Corps in 1961 and worked with a number of organizations to help those in need. He married John F. Kennedy's sister, Eunice Kennedy, and this helped him move to the national stage and help out with different organizations. Shriver became the driving vision behind President Kennedy's proposal for a government-supported international volunteer agency, which was established in 1961 as the U.S. Peace Corps. After President Kennedy's assassination in 1963, Shriver worked within Lyndon B. Johnson's administration, tackling social and economic issues through a strategic plan called War on Poverty. This plan led to the creation of programs such as Head Start, Job Corps, foster grandparents. Shriver also strove to help with those with disabilities. In 1984, he became president of the Special Olympics, an organization founded by his wife, Eunice. Shriver helped the organization expand internationally during his tenure. Sergeant Shriver's first major public service was the creation of the U.S. Peace Corps in 1961. One stated mission of the Peace Corps is to provide technical assistance to countries that need it. Providing technology will help educate youths in that particular country. It will also help provide information about health and diseases. Technology can also help with business and the economy in the area. The second part of the Peace Corps' mission is to help people outside of America to understand our culture. Teaching people our ways can help educate them about how we take care of the environment. Another reason learning our culture can help other people in the world is if they understand where we are coming from, it will be easier for them to let us help them. The third goal of the Peace Corps aims to help Americans understand the people and cultures of other countries. This helps us gain a greater understanding of the world. It also fosters a spirit of world peace and friendship and may also inspire Americans to be civic-minded by example. Another organization Shriver organized was the War on Poverty. One branch of the War on Poverty is the Head Start program. The program's services and resources are designed to foster stable family relationships, enhance children's physical and emotional well-being, and establish an environment to develop strong cognitive skills. Head Start has served over 30 million children and their families in urban and rural areas in all 50 states, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, and U.S. territories. Another program that came from the War on Poverty is Job Corps. Job Corps' mission is to help young people ages 16 through 24 improve the quality of their lives through vocational and academic training. Teaching young people these skills will give them the opportunity to go out and get a job, something they probably wouldn't have been able to accomplish without Job Corps. Another program that came out of the War on Poverty is TRIO. There are many programs in TRIO, but the main goal of it is to provide certain middle school and high school students the opportunity to pursue a college degree. TRIO will help students coming from low-income families, students that are first-generation college students, and also those living in rural areas. Eunice Sargent may have started the Special Olympics, but her husband was just as involved as the program as she was. Using his skills as a good politician, diplomat, peacemaker, and person of faith, Shriver opened doors in the former Soviet Union, China, Tunisia, New Zealand, South Korea, all through Eastern Europe and many more countries, helping Special Olympics grow from a U.S.-based mission to the global organization it is today. Today's Special Olympics is present in over 170 different countries, and more than two-thirds of the participating athletes come out of the U.S. Shriver saw how Special Olympics could be used as a peacemaker between nations with political discord and unrest. He believed in the unifying effect of a simple sporting event and used sports as a doorway to dialogue about the human rights issues surrounding people with intellectual disabilities. Internationally, Sergeant Shriver impressed thousands of government officials and diplomats with his commitment to people with intellectual disabilities, inspiring them to make their own commitment. Without Sergeant Shriver, the world we know today wouldn't be the same. The Peace Corps changed the world along with War on Poverty and the Special Olympics, all programs that Shriver has a major impact on. The Peace Corps has helped many countries around the world. It also helped us learn about a lot of countries around the world as well. The War on Poverty has helped millions of people get jobs and has also helped those that are less fortunate pursue a college degree and more after that. The Special Olympics have helped countries come together for one purpose in putting problems aside for those special children that participate. Sergeant Shriver believed he could change the world with all these programs, and he's done more than he ever thought he could accomplish with these great programs that all started with the idea of changing the world for the better.